Moment Ukrainian drones drop bombs on unsuspecting hidden Russian soldiers in the forest. The images show at least 2 Russian soldiers walking in the open before hiding under some trees in a forested area somewhere on the front lines. The drone films them walking in the open and tracks them to their hiding position before dropping a number of bombs on them. The images were obtained from the Territorial Defence Forces of Ukraine on Tuesday, 20th September, along with a statement saying that the Russian soldiers were detected thanks to intelligence work. The Territorial Defence Forces said the Russians decided to demonstrate the short life cycle of the Russian occupier on Ukrainian land.